Hello everyone, welcome to Vivian's Kitchen. Today's video, I'll show you how to make the best cinnamon applesauce. The apples are from our backyard. Let's get started. 8 cups of diced apples, 2 cups of water. Anyway, I'm using Honeycrisp apples. Let it boil. Next, I put 1 cup brown sugar. Next, half teaspoon cinnamon. Fresh cinnamon stick. There you go. They're all done. Thank you for watching everyone. Please hit like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.